Hi, so Raymond Whittaker from VivaMK, just unboxing a delivery. So if you're watching live, sorry for the delay, just the phone's storage is full up, so I just deleted some videos on the storage on the phone. So let's carry on unboxing this delivery and see what's inside. So we've got 2 packs of Christmas cards. Got another pack of Christmas cards. Got a Christmas box with some Christmas baubles in. So got a pack of batteries, got some cards. Got a little love heart there. So inside the box, got another box of products. Got some fat controllers. Got some money wallets, so if you're not sure what presents to give your grandchildren, you can put some money into a Christmas wallet. Christmas card. We got a ironing pads cleaner. Got some all you love is chocolate. All you need is chocolate. We've got a Clean Easy Deep Clean silicone pad. So we've got some 150D LED lights. We've got a penguin and polar bear and hare and reindeer Christmas duvet cover. We got some Christmas box tags. We've got some bleach powder or bleach tablets, I should say. Got some glittery window stickers. So you've got the delivery sheet. So that's everything inside the box. So see what's inside this box. So we've got 18 handcrafted gift cards, or tags, I should say, Christmas tags. We've got some easy iron cleaner, got some stain away. We've got some mould away. Yet again, we've got another tub of drain away. We've got a waterproof spray. So if your coat's not as waterproof as it was when it's brand new, you can spray that onto it. Or if your tent isn't waterproof anymore, you can spray that onto inside of your tent to keep it more waterproof. Got some disinfectant. Got some more disinfectant. We got some cracked heel cream. Got some softening foot lotion. We got some hand cream. Got a couple of tubs of washing machine cleaner. We got some giftware. Got a touch pen and a cheese slicer. So I got 3 boxes of solar powered 50 LED bulbs. Actually not solar powered, these aren't, these are battery operated. Got the second box of 50 LED lights. Got some more gift tags. Got facial wipes. So we got here in this bag we've got some makeup. So let's have a look what makeup we got. Got some pink lipstick. Got some black nail polish varnish. Got some red lipstick. Got some nail hardener. Got some nail sparkling stickers. Got some blush. Got some light purple nail varnish. So that's everything in the white bag, and that's everything inside the box. Inside the box. So thank you for watching, and let's see what next week brings in the order. So if anybody watching and interested in joining me in VivaMK, just PM me and I'll send you a link over to join. Okay, thank you. Bye.